Are we in? Are we in? Neil? Yeah, that's all. Let's go.
What's happening there, Ronnie? What happens to our fruit here? We put it into the thing. Does that mean anything to the council, or does that mean anything to us?
Well, they've invited
we came here as a group to respect everyone else, so they should do the same. We put a puti in there so we couldn't bring a bread or butter, and we put a puti on there for us to go in and share their lunch for all of us.
the extensionist. It's really Homai's decision. He has been offered the hand to break the tapu wairoa, so
From mua koni hira nahi panga tēnā pala. Kare tika me hare tu, I can't go on my own and leave my other people out here. So that's why I said to him, I'm going down there for a smoke. That'd be my kind.
hey, twice. I'm just thinking, if you wanted to ask the mayor, is it possible to get our envelope back so that we can supply our own kai, and that will be our option.
Now you're beating an Indian now. Yeah. Just because of one wrong, we don't fix it with another wrong.
We don't do that.
Yeah. But
we don't do that, Ronnie. We can't give and take.
we gotta acknowledge now that we have to deal in here in the council building. It's a big thing for us, nee? Very big thing for us.
Yeah.
So,
coming in to join us.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
yeah, so you know that's
Oh, come on,
Come on, bro. Come on.
Let's go see the...
Imelda, the chief executive, have just asked us to come in and have a cup of tea. It'll be
Coffee. Hey, come on, how do I?
Ken.
you go in there. I gotta go to work. But I'll see you later when you finish with the thing. Eh?
Yep, I'll bring it.
I've got to go and plus I've got a cigarette waiting with my name on it.
I'll come in with money.
Oh, don't be shy, brothers.
I...
Don't be shy.
Thanks, Tim.
We have blessed.